It is now time to explain how our evaluation answers the evaluation question, which is, has SB 32 successfully lowered the cost of payday loans in Kentucky, lessened the frequency with which payday loans are used by Kentuckians, and what consequences has SB 32 had for frequent payday loan users? Now, how does our analysis answer the evaluation question? It allows for an objective analysis which will show as conclusively as possible whether SB 32 was successful in its goals. By using quantitative data from the Veritake database, the effects of SB 32's regulations will be clearly visible. If the cost, frequency, and number of operating payday loan businesses have decreased, then it will be a good indication that SB 32 has been successful in achieving its goals. If not, then policymakers should reevaluate their strategy in regards to regulating the payday loan industry. Second, the evaluation calls for qualitative and quantitative data to be gathered from current and former habitual payday loan users. This allows for an analysis of SB 32's effect on this specific group of people. Evaluators will be able to determine effects such as the immediate impact of SB 32 on these people's financial well-being, any behavioral changes that have resulted from SB 32, and judge these people's feelings towards the bill, which could be a major issue on the political side of the equation. Finally, the evaluation design calls for an investigation into the compliance of payday loan businesses with SB 32. Methods such as a secret shopper or surprise inspections will be critical to ensuring that these lending institutions are following both the spirit and letter of the law. Furthermore, it is critical to ensure that these businesses are following SB 32's regulations, which require them to display their interest rates and fees charged, which ensures they are not allowed to deceive or trick customers who do not have the financial literacy to understand the true nature of these loans. This finally brings us to our hypothesis of what will actually happen, which is that SB 32 will lower the average cost of a payday loan in Kentucky. It will also lower the frequency with which payday loans are used by Kentuckians, since it may force many payday loan establishments to close. However, in some ways, this will be a double-edged sword, as some Kentuckians, those who work for these businesses, may lose their jobs. It will also result in some short-term negative consequences for payday loan users, as they must adjust their financial practices. But in the long run, it will prove beneficial by removing a debt trap which many Kentuckians have fell into.